Hello guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be going over how you can spawn items in Township Tale, so let's get right into it. Township Tale is an upcoming multiplayer VR game, and it is, as I've said, new. It is upcoming, and it is currently in the pre-alpha stages, and there is a lot of information which is subject to change, and it is very, I guess you could say, buggy. Yeah. It is pretty buggy, it isn't unfinished, it is a pre-alpha game, so please keep that in mind. As you can see, I'm using a Reddit article, and I'm using this since my recording software will not work with VR games, and I also do not own a VR headset as well, so I cannot play VR games. However, I will use this article and it will serve the purpose just fine, so just bear with me and follow all these steps and you should be perfectly fine. Now, to use the spawn command, you can use it through the dashboard on dashboard.townshiptale, and this way the spawn command does not work. However, you can add items to your account by using this here command. As you can see, this player has provided a solution and you can send them to your mailbox. The way you do this is by entering the command trade post and then enter your player name, enter the item name, and enter the quantity, and once you enter it, it will be added to your account. Now, since this is a pre-alpha game, some items have not been implemented, so make sure that you do not add them to your account, such as birch and redwood. You can add other types of wood which have been implemented through this command. Just make sure that you don't use these, since they will crash your Quest server. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.